Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Shorts channel, especially all Cambodian people and all around the world. Today, we're tackling a question I get all the time, especially from new homeowners. How do you properly clean natural wood floors? I remember when I first moved into my place. I was so worried about damaging them. I called up my buddy Ben, who's a total pro at this stuff, and he gave me the best advice. So today, I'm going to share his wisdom with all of you.